Hello, hello! Today we're here to unbox the original Apple Pencil. So while this guy has been out for a while, this is version 1 of the pencil, it's still the only version that works with versions of the iPad that are older than the 9th generation. And I just so happened to get a 9th generation iPad on sale on Amazon. So if you're watching out, you can get them for a couple $100 or cheaper now. So per usual, Apple has wrapped this thing very, very well. And it comes shrink wrapped in plastic, of course. Pull that away. And underneath, we've got on this side, it says, all the different iPads it works with. So 10th generation with a lightning connector, and also anything less than that. On the back here, it says includes Apple Pencil 1st generation, along with a USB-C adapter, a lightning adapter, and an extra tip, along with the model number. There's a little, ooh, look at that. Nice little slide out. And then of course you get the standard designed by Apple in California. Box is nice and sturdy. Lift up the insert, there's the pencil. And inside the box we have a lightning adapter, USB-C adapter, and of course the extra tip. Along with many pieces of paper. Look at this, I can myself. And this first one here talks about how do you plug in the connectors into the pencil. So the pencil has a lightning adapter in the inside of the cap. And then it also showcases how to charge it and replace the tip. These are all of the, looks like different warnings in all of the different languages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different languages. Amazing. And then these are all of the parts and warranty information in English, Spanish, and looks like Chinese and French. So we have an extra 4 languages on that guy. Very interesting. Pencil is locked in with a piece of plastic here, nothing else in the box. And, oh wow, pencil itself is wrapped in plastic. Very protected in this. There's the plastic sheet. And there's a standard Apple Pencil with the unpluggable end and the lightning connector on the back. Here in the box, I'll just pull out the 2 connectors so you all can see them. This is a pretty chunky connector for lightning to USB-C, but you can see this is unyielding. It was like, what is this? It's so heavy now. And then here's the connector to plug this in. So this is the lightning connector to the standard lightning charger. This is more feasible, doable. And then of course the extra tip. Anyway, thank you for joining me for the unboxing of the Apple Pencil version 1.